Hello, first graders, and welcome back to day 4 of your reading job for this week. Today we are going to be looking at the main idea and details of a text. When we look for the main idea, we're going to ask ourselves, what is the text telling us? What is the most important thing that the text is telling us? And then what are some details that we learned about the topic, about the text? All right, today we're going to read What Can Live in a Desert? A desert is a habitat. It is where plants and animals live. Animals have special adaptations. These help them live in the desert. Foxes have large ears that send out heat to help them keep cool. Gerbils have brown coats that match the color of sand. Desert geckos have webbed feet. They can walk on top of sand without sinking. Jackrabbits have long legs. These help them outrun hunters. Scorpions grab insects with their pinchers. They kill their prey with their tails. Roadrunners have long legs. They can run from danger or chase dinner. This snake's skin is the same color as the sand. What other adaptations help animals live in the desert? Camel adaptations. Hump, 2 rows of eyelashes, wide feet. Learn more about adaptations. Camels store fat in humps on their backs. They use the fat for energy when they can't find food. Camels have 2 rows of eyelashes on each eye. They keep sand out of the camel's eyes. Camels use flat, wide feet to walk on sand without sinking. Neat! So, here are some more fun facts about animals. Some desert lizards swim through the sand. This is because the sand below the surface is cooler than the sand on top. Some desert snakes hop so they can have less contact with hot sand. Kangaroo rats only come out at night when the temperature is cooler. Rattlesnakes sleep deeply during the winter when deserts can be cold. Cactus wrens make nests on cactuses. Tough, scaly skin on their legs keep them from being poked by the cactus's spine. Rattlesnakes have rattles on the ends of their tails. They shake the rattles to scare off hunters. The coats of coyotes and mountain lions are the color of the desert. All right, boys and girls, that brings us to the end of our nonfiction text. What was the main idea of this text? And what were some details that you learned? Happy reading, first graders!